Yes, our waterproof parquet is indeed 100% waterproof. That is why we can easily install our floor into a kitchen or even a bathroom without any worries. No water can penetrate into the joints of our floor or go underneath the floor. This is because of our strict production values, a tight fit between the planks, because of our improved click system, Hydroseal coating around all 4 of the edges, and of course our Wood for Life technology, which is revolutionary for parquet. We do a lot of research and conduct many tests, even extreme ones, with a large amount of water and soap in it, just to make sure that our floor survives the reality of a house. Not a drop gets through, so mold does not have a chance and the beauty of our floor is not compromised.